Hey, what's up everybody? Today, I'm going to finish what I started by unboxing the Vantrue N2S cam. Ever since I was backed into a few years ago and the driver tried to run, I like to keep a dash cam on the ready. And this one here, it just happens to tick all the boxes for me. Enin here from U Droid Mania, so let's get to it. The packaging here, it's pretty nice except for the fact that Amazon dented the box, and of course, that bothers me. Anyway, once we get the lid off, you're greeted with a couple of stickers. Next, you'll find a pretty short quick start guide and a user manual. And in case you're wondering, it's about 6 to 7 minutes worth of reading, just in case you need to take a look. I know I sure did. As I dig into the first box here, notice that it has an image of a suction cup mount on it. Inside, we find the mount along with a trim prying tool. This can be used to help tuck the power wire if needed. You'll notice that this mount has the GPS function incorporated, and that can be seen by the connection pins here. And speaking of connection, this is where you plug in your Type-C power cable. In this next box, you'll find the power cable. It plugs into the cigarette lighter and the cable is several feet long, so you shouldn't have any trouble running the wire. This extra Type-C cable is for a portable battery charger, but more to come on that in a future video. And last but not least, we have the camera itself. In case you didn't already know, this is a dual front and cabin facing camera. Although the front facing camera supports 1440p, if you run both you can only use 1080. One thing to note though, is that you're going to need to grab yourself an SD card with this one. I recommend at least 128 gigs because this camera has the option to store 1, 3, or 5-minute clips for both the front and cabin camera. And now that we've got all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. When it comes to setting this thing up, it's super easy. Essentially, all you need to do is run the power cable to your desired location, usually that's below the rear view mirror, install the suction holder, attach the camera and power it up. And when you're done, off you go. It's just that simple. I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. Nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. When it comes to the quality that you get out of this camera, it's top notch in my opinion. For a dash cam, it looks great and it's more than enough to serve its purpose. I mean, it's good both in the day and at night as you can see. It's awesome, right? But I don't have to tell you guys that. I've got a link down below in case you're interested, so go and check it out. Okay, so there you guys have it. If you've enjoyed today's video, do leave a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe before you go. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.